Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 26th October. Let's start. In the year of 1858 on this day, H. E. Smith patented the washing machine. In the year of 1886 on this day, Godavari Das, the famous social reformer, literature and public activist of Odisha, was born. In the year of 1890 on this day, journalist Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi was born. In the year of 1905 on this day, Norway gained independence from Sweden. In the year of 1934 on this day, All India Rural Industries Association was founded under the patronage of Mahatma Gandhi. In the year of 1947 on this day, Raja Hari Singh agreed to merge Jammu and Kashmir with India. In the year of 1951 on this day, Winston Churchill became the Prime Minister of Britain. In the year of 1956 on this day, Imre Nagy, the new Prime Minister of Hungary, appeals to the people to maintain peace on the third day of fighting between the demonstrators and the Soviet army. In the year of 1969 on this day, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, the first astronauts to set foot on the moon, arrived in Mumbai. In the year of 1976 on this day, the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago gained independence from Britain. In the year of 1979 on this day, South Korean President Park Chung-hee was accidentally assassinated by his old friend and head of the Korean Central Intelligence Agency, Kim Jae-kyung. He was sentenced to death for his crime. In the year of 1994 on this day, a peace treaty was signed between Israel and Jordan, ending 46 years of war. In the year of 1998 on this day, the deadliest hurricanes in history hit the Central American countries of Mexico, Honduras and Nicaragua, killing more than 3,000 people and leaving thousands homeless. In the year of 2000 on this day, Manvat Nath Gupta, a prominent revolutionary and writer, passed away. In the year of 2001 on this day, Japan announced the lifting of sanctions against India and Pakistan. In the year of 2006 on this day, a minister in Israel demanded an inquiry from India into the Barak deal. In the year of 2006 on this day, a law was passed to protect women in India from cases of dowry violence and domestic violence. In the year of 2012 on this day, 41 killed and 50 injured in a suicide attack on a mosque in Afghanistan. In the year of 2014 on this day, Dilma Rousseff was re-elected president of Brazil. In the year of 2017 on this day, the National Party of New Zealand found rapper Eminem guilty of breaching the publisher's copyright and ordered to pay $413,000 for the use of the song Eminem Essay. In the year of 2017 on this day, Jacinda Ardern was sworn in as Prime Minister of New Zealand, the world's youngest female head of state. In the year of 2019 on this day, ISIS founder Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi was killed in Syria in a raid by US Special Force. In the year of 2020 on this day, the center had notified new land laws for Jammu and Kashmir, according to which any Indian citizen will be able to buy land in the Union territory. The notification was issued by the Union Home Ministry. In the year of 2020 on this day, the new Prime Minister of Japan, Yoshihide Suga, announced that the country would achieve zero carbon emissions by 2050. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.